How to wake up with Spotify music, and in simple language, how you can set your alarm on your iPhone, a Spotify tone or a music from directly on Spotify, how you can set it up as your alarm tone. For this, you simply have to go on the setting option of your iPhone here, and then you have to click on the sound option. From the sound, you will see there is a lot of options of a ringtone, of haptics, or anything more. As you can see, ringtone and alerts is a reflection right now, but how I can change this. Now, to change this, I should click on the download or purchase tone, or scroll to the down. Here you will see the tone store. From this tone store, you can search the music here, and you can connect your Spotify account also, that is downloads or that is purchased. Now after this thing, you can go to your Spotify application also, and then you can set it up your tone from there. So this is about the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.